Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove this account then. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts and backup, then go to the manage accounts. So let's add another account. Of course, let's select Google. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you so then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and then select if you want to enable Google backup feature. Like if you want to, you don't even have to do this. Your account just being added, so simple, without any extra steps. So if you want to remove this account, select it here, then tap remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.